My name's Riley Johnson. I'm a fourth-year political science student at Radford University. I'm from Bristow, Virginia, and am currently an intern under the Government Relations Office. It's always been a want for me to be helping a community, and the political science classes offered here showed me how much that interests me and how much that keeps my attention. The thing that enticed me the most to go after this internship were the benefits that they were offering. Going through school here, I've always been a full-time student and full-time working, so I haven't had time to go after any extracurricular activities. So the amount of benefits that they were offering allowed me to breathe and take this opportunity. One of the best things about the internship was the networking opportunities. It's been hard to get into this environment, it being so personal heavy. This internship not only got me in the office, but also got me to meet with other Radford alums that work in the field and got me to network and get their information. Because it's one to read about it through a textbook or hear it in a lecture, but to watch bills go through, to watch legislators talk about their stuff, having lobbyists come into meetings and try to pitch ideas, it's been a big learning experience to see how everyone interacts with each other. My time here at Radford and also this internship has set me up great for what I would want to do personally, which would be public service and helping out my community. The skills and information that I've learned is going to be very practical when it comes to actually going into the real world.